Kem cho, majama. Yeah, you have guessed it right. Today I am making a dish from Gujarat, that is Methi Thepla or the fenugreek theplas. Fenugreek leaves are known for having many good health benefits, like it's good for digestion, skin, heart, and hair health. It has many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Gujarati cuisine often focuses on dishes that are not only flavorful but also practical for carrying on long journeys. Methi Thepla is adored by people in Gujarat for its earthy, mildly spiced flavor complemented by the freshness of fenugreek leaves. It is often paired with pickled yogurt chilies, making it a comforting and a satisfying meal. So let's get started. Take whole wheat flour with ghee, mix spices, little yogurt, and knead it into a tight dough. Roll it and cook it till golden light, and get ready for a fluffy, warm, playful bite. And as the Gujaratis say it, Thepla to Gujarati na jeevan nu sache. So enjoy the dish.